They call it freedom of information. I call it nonsense. Una law ana information ya kusaidia polisi. Nafikiri unafaa kuwa ndani.
Lakini sisi kama wazi FM sisi tunajali maslahi ya jamii. Tunapigania rights zao.
It is a fine line we walk, and I was constantly aware of this delicate balance.
You know, again, Yapa, go back to your country.
Maybe that's why this cross-cultural relationship has so many problems. Do you know that Sweetie was even considering converting to Islam?
This is the story of Kazo and Katan. They were both 6 years old, and they came from Malaysia, a small village on the coast of Kenya.
Cashew nuts, cashew nuts, cashew nuts.
Their stories would have been differently, if only.
sheekadii fadumo waxay leedahay laba canug farduusa iyo faysal ninkeeda ciise wuu dhintay fadumo ninkeeda waayeelayuu ahaa kadib cudur ayuu dhintay fadumo darubtu waxay ku kaliftay inay labadeeda canug korsato nolosha waxay ku kaliftay in shaqaale ay noqoto kadib maalin ka mid ah inay carruurtii korsato farax kadib uu daryeelo inay kawaandhigley noqoto farax wuxuu sii orgi ay qalato faduma kadib suuqa ay geyso lacagta deentay u soo celiso faduma maysan garanaynin khatarta qalinta
magacayga waxaa la dhahaa Zaharo waxaan jiraa 7 sano waxaan ku noolahay xarada qaxootiga xagar dheer ee Dhadhaab hooyaday maxaa la dhahaa Faadumo aabahay waxaa la dhahaa Cali waxaan leeyahay walaal iga yar oo waxaan ku noolahay xarada qaxootiga ee xagar dheer xaafada ee 11 familkeyga waxay ka imaadeen Soomaaliya 2010ka ayagoo ka soo qaxay dagaaladii waan ku faraxsanahay reerkeena aan la noolahay hooyaday ayaa ii sheegtay Axmed in uu aad u xanuunsan yahay wali aan u sii murgooday waa ayo qashinka ayaa dibkan u keenay habeenka ma seexan
maya wiilkan gurigaygi ayuu burburiyay
walaalka ii soo celi iska tag
I'm going green I'm keeping clean. No more getting lost in the traffic and the car exhaust. I can't get from one place to the next. All I have to do is to get on my BMX. It's good for my health because I get to exercise. It doesn't need any gas, just my feet and my eyes. Take less space parking. I recommend a good bike to everyone. Rich and famous, doesn't make noise or disturb peace. It doesn't need insurance or license fees. And the petrol prices don't bother me. I just pump the dust, it's all for free.
I like how it feels when I step on the pedals and turn the wheels. Moving from the street to street, sometimes city to city. I'm serving energy, my bike does not use electricity. It takes me where I need to go fast or slow, good brakes, so I'm always in control. In my honest opinion, it's very convenient in many ways, there'll be less pollution if more people use bikes every day. It doesn't produce carbon dioxide, CO2,
We all rely on nature. The water we drink, the food we eat, and the materials we use to build our tools and shelters are all ecosystem services. We are destroying nature, even though we know the consequences.
Pollution, trash is cash. This my solution, trash is cash. No more pollution, trash is cash. This my solution, trash is cash.
Make a town a green town. 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 Climate change environment. Make a town a green town. Climate change environment. Make a town a green town.
So when I sit back and reminisce about the future, things about the wow, wishing they wouldn't last. Master tobacco, conservation run inside of me. Now I can't get the best life I wanted to achieve. The ozone let depletion, man can't wear a mention. Planet getting warmer, resource scarcity farmer. Slums overpopulated, people starving, they can make it. No trees around the slum, this can't be a green around environment around.
Children never eat it together as one. Let's unite, let's make a song. Don't matter where you are from. Clap for life and sing along.
Peace, love, unity, power is the key that you need in life. La 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 life. Clap, 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 clap for your life. Peace, love, unity, power is the key that you need in life. La 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 life. Clap, 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 clap for your life.
There is no limit to how far we can go. A long journey starts with one step. I can go wrong if I do my best. It doesn't matter how far you are from. Even beauty roses are grown in the slum. Let's share the struggle, lift our heads above the rubble. No more heartaches, no rooms of doubt. We'll make it through the earthquake, floods and droughts. No matter how long it takes, let's move now, no time to waste.
I am very popular in school and in my neighborhood.
Hi, Melinda.
Look at Mary. She is shaggy. I believe that nobody likes her.
Melinda is really lucky. She has everything. She is beautiful and good at school. I will love to be part of her group.
My name is Justin. I'm not only the captain of the football team, I'm also the coolest boy at school, and all girls dream to become my girlfriends. I have only a small problem. I'm not that good at school, but fortunately, there is always one of my followers ready to do my homework for me.
This is me. I'm Lewis. My nickname is Murray. As you can see, I'm really good at school but not so talented with my peers. Maybe because I'm shy and introverted.
I guess you are curious to know how our stories will continue. Let's start from Justin. After finding out he's HIV positive, he decided not to tell to anybody about his status. He continued to have many partners and he spread the virus in the school and in the neighborhood. Do you want to know about his future? I'm afraid it is not so bright. Soon, he will not be able to play football like before or live a normal life. He will die very young. And now it's my turn. After Sandra rescuing me, I lived with a teacher. Thanks to her help, I finally understood about my errors and my life really changed. I stopped thinking about men and finally thought about my future. I finally found the strength to go back to school and continue with my passion. I'll become a famous singer, and through the power of music, I'll teach youth about the effects of early pregnancies and illegal abortion.
I am responsible for me, that is the way to be free. I'm taking control, you do it for you, and everything you do. Take control for your mind, your body, and your soul.
Wafalme.
Mimi sikuwa naenda shule. Ndio siku ile vile nilipata na Yugi nikaacha.
15 kids from the slums of Nairobi.
Unapata school fees. Hizo pesa zinatakana shule ni ngumu kupata. Unapata saa zingine unakaa home juu ya pesa kidogo.
They are already hip-hop stars in Kenya. When hip-hop is a philosophy.
Iko ndani yangu, iko ndani ya damu yangu. Kwa hivyo nikiacha inakuwa mbaya yani.
Siku moja hip hop ita save my life na parents yangu.
Education is the key to a better life.
Education first, have talent.
Now, Wafalme are talking to kids all over the world and spreading their positive message, narrating them their story.
This is my story.